Kie.ai is marketed as an AI platform that provides tools and APIs for generating content such as text, images, audio, or video, helping developers and businesses integrate AI into their applications. The platform promises fast, affordable AI services, but the real question is, should you use it before watching this? Now, to be fair, AI API platforms are a legitimate and rapidly growing category, and they can save developers time compared to building AI models from scratch. What it does well: wide range of AI tools. Kie.ai offers access to multiple AI capabilities through a single platform. Developer-friendly APIs. The service is designed to make it easier to integrate AI features into websites and applications. Where the hype falls apart, AI output isn't always accurate. Like any AI platform, responses and generated content can contain errors or require human review. Costs can increase with usage. API pricing may seem inexpensive at first, but expenses can grow as your usage scales. Feature availability may change. AI models, pricing, and supported features can evolve over time, so it's important to review the latest documentation. So, should you use Kie.ai? Short answer: yes, if it fits your needs. If you're looking for AI APIs to speed up development, it may be worth considering. But don't expect it to solve every AI challenge without careful implementation and testing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.